world of billions, two paths were quietly being drawn together. Neither of them ever imagined that destiny had a completely different plan, until the day our family spoke. With a grand Indian celebration, my mom and dad's two lives became one while they waited for my mom's visa to be approved. Until then, a phone screen was the only way they could stay in touch. But finally, the approval came. Waiting at the gate was her king, flowers in hand. Of course, learning to cook wasn't exactly easy. She even tried to make messy, unwashed crabs. Their early days were an adventure on wheels, camping out under the stars. And of course, there were plenty of little fights and silly arguments along the way, mostly over who was actually right. Soon, the most magical chapter of all arrived. A princess was on her way, and that princess was me. Their home filled with the laughter of a baby girl. Destiny decided our sanctuary wasn't quite complete. First, they got our very first house right here in New Zealand. And then my little sister came along to make our family absolutely complete. It's been 10 whole years since they started, and we love our family so much. Happy 10th anniversary, Mom and Dad.